Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Inglewood, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a professional licensed moving company that has been offering services to so many happy customers for the last 20 years. For each need you'll have, we got services to offer you. From packing to unpacking, we'll always arrive on time to help you move. Our pricing is straightforward and transparent because we provide free quotes of services you can afford. Let our moving company take care of the job. A big move is the start of a new chapter in your life. While there is so much to look forward to, packing and moving is a difficult, unavoidable task, and you'll need all the help you can get. Our movers will pack up your belongings for you in packaging designed to ensure the safety of your valuables. Avoid the overwhelming work of doing it all yourself. Even though your surroundings won't be changing much, you're still going to have a lot on your plate. All of your things have to end up in boxes somehow, and unfortunately, those boxes can't load themselves. 3 Movers will help you move out of your old home or office and into your new one all in just one day. After a few hours of letting us do the work for you, you'll be prepared to relax by the TV in the evening. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Inglewood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.